Have you ever encountered this problem? Traditional boiler installation is a tedious process that can take weeks or even months, wasting time and increasing labor and management costs. EPCB's newly launched skid-mounted steam boiler perfectly solves this pain point. The equipment is assembled and debugged in the factory. Once it arrives on site, it only needs to be connected to water, electricity, and gas for rapid commissioning. Core components such as burners and electronic control systems have been installed and pre-debugged before leaving the factory, reducing on-site construction. Multiple safety features, including dual water level protection, safety valves, and sound and light alarms, ensure stable boiler operation. The pipelines are clearly marked, making routine maintenance easier. Compared with traditional boilers, EPCB skid-mounted boilers truly achieve saving time, saving labor and saving worry. EPCB skid-mounted steam boilers allow you to say goodbye to tedious installation, quickly put into production, and easily improve efficiency. EPCB is your reliable boiler partner.